In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the adductor slide exercise. Now you'll notice in my hand, I've got an exercise slider that I'm going to be demonstrating this exercise with. If you've got something like me, you've got smooth wooden flooring, then you don't have to use one of these. A hand towel, something like a tea towel, would replicate this exercise as good as this slider. If you've got something like carpet flooring, I'd recommend one of these. This plastic side in contact with the carpet works really well. Alternatively, the mesh side works really well in contact with laminate flooring. So I'm going to pop the mesh side in contact with the wooden flooring here. I'm going to place my midfoot and also all the way up to my toes in contact with this slider. If you're using a tea towel, do exactly the same with a tea towel, or some people even do this in socks. And what I'm going to do here, with my feet hip width apart pointing forwards, is I'm going to come back through my left hip. So I'm going to be coming back as if I'm coming into a squat. And as I do that, I keep this leg, the leg in contact with the slider, completely straight as my left knee bends and my hips come back. When I slide out away from my body, that's abduction. When I come back in, that's adduction. So abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. If you don't want to do the abduction, so it's just adduction you want to do, what I would recommend, if you've got a walkway or some space, is starting off in a position where you're going to bring that slider in. So like so, you can come out, do the next repetition, come out, do the next repetition. If you want to make it even harder, you could start off in your squat position, come in, come back to your squat position. Remember, this leg needs to be completely straight. Back in, squat position, back in. And of course, whatever variation you choose, you'd repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.